Let's move on to the discussion of exercises related to vocabulary section. हम इसका ए पार्ट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हम ये थोरो जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है हमारे चैप्टर की उसमें कवर कर चुके हैं. So we'll move on to B part, which is explain each phrase as used in the lesson. So first is a long bumpy ride. इसका मीनिंग होता है the above phrase means that writer's life has been full of hurdles and ups and downs. B part is earned first place. This phrase means that writer worked hard to earn first place in every level of life, be it academic or non-academic, and successfully earned it. C part, a well-rounded student. This phrase means a student who is equally good in academic and non-academic activities. D part, along with a group of other students. This phrase means that the writer did not participate alone in the particular program, but he was accompanied by other group of students. E part, to look forward to it. The phrase means to feel excited about something or to be keen about something like the writer was for the future. F part, made it this far. The phrase means to succeed at a certain extent. Thank you.